Don't panic when you encounter a blue screen error. I'm going to show you how to fix this problem step by step. Let's begin. Click on Advanced Options, select Troubleshoot, then click on Advanced Options. Now select Command Prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r/c: and hit enter to execute this command. Now we need to type this command c: and simply press enter. Type cd space c: / and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space Windows and press enter. Type cd space System32 and simply hit enter. Type in cd space config and simply hit enter to execute the command. Then type md space backup and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now type md backup1 and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space backup1 and hit enter. Type in cd space regback, then simply hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space ** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Type bootrec space /fixboot and hit enter. Now type cd space c: / and simply hit enter. Now type this command cd space Windows /System32 /config /regback and simply hit enter to execute the command. Type bcd edit space /export space c: /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c: / and hit enter. Now type this md space boot and hit enter. Now type cd space boot and simply hit enter. Now type md space bcd and hit enter. Now type cd space c: / and simply hit enter. Now type attrib space c: -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Now type ren space c: /boot /bcd space bcd.old, then simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.